Here it comes. So you can see it, and here it is. That is Metrolink. Carrying four cars. There it goes. Right there. There's that train. There's the end.
Cat! There's a cat!
There's a sign right there. It says 119 Los Angeles Union Station, something. Whose house? Ram's house. You can't see it because it's glitching on the phone, but it's just saying.
Yo, get your camera!
It's to Ventura.
Camera!
Another one. This could be a train meet, possibly. And here comes the other train. It's a train meet. There is a train meet coming. Another train is coming. You can see it. Both trains. Here and here. Here comes the other train. Hello. And here departs the other train. The second one comes. This one has... Hello. Oh, windy. Here's the other train at this train meet. Surfliner. Is it from, it says Imperial Beach. Amtrak California, it says. Imperial Beach. 6-1 or more for coach. Emergency info. And the locomotive mechanical bell again. You see? Right there.
I think that's the train.
Here is the front. This time the horn has cones. So it shows. It says Point Loma on some. So there's also some stuff. There's a coupler. There's a... The doors are closing and the train is departing. It's gonna be leaving soon. So flashing a horn show, which is awesome. The bell was working. And the train is leaving. There goes this train that's moonwalking. And the end is right here. So cool. That's all for the trains.